Turning our attention now to the coronavirus. Just in, the CDC says that the UK variant is now the dominant strain of the coronavirus here in the United States. Meantime, the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services is giving an update on the situation in our state right now. Michigan leads the nation in new COVID cases and hospital beds being used to treat COVID patients. They say that the state has a 15.6% positivity rate. Numbers are up 300% since February, and new age groups are leading the surge.
The rates currently that are the highest are among those aged 20 to 29 and 30 to 39. However, rates for children 0 to 9 and 10 to 19 in red and yellow are at an all-time high and have more than quadrupled from a month ago.
We are also seeing in the state of Michigan a rise in deaths as well. Nearly 12% of all inpatient beds are being used right now to treat people with COVID. For more on that and what's driving the surge, Nick Monticelli joins us now live from Beaumont Hospital in Troy. Nick?
Good afternoon. One of the most important metrics when it comes to understanding how our community is doing with COVID-19 is looking at the number of hospital cases. And right now, when you look at those cases, it doesn't seem good, but those inside are saying it is not as bad as it could be.
Yes, I'm concerned, but in general, we're in a much better place than we were a year ago.
While vaccines have been a game changer, hospitalizations in Michigan are surging. Beaumont says they were averaging about 100 COVID patients a month. Now, that number is closer to 600.
For us, it's a very significant increase. We are in another surge in Michigan. It is real. We are seeing people in our hospitals.
Here are the current numbers across Metro Detroit. Capacity across 8 Beaumont hospitals ranges anywhere from 68 to 100%. The state saying Beaumont-Wayne is at full capacity. Capacity across 5 Henry Ford hospitals ranges anywhere from 69 to 99%. The state saying Henry Ford Macomb is nearing triple digits. Capacity at Detroit Receiving is 87%, and at Children's it's 62%. Keep in mind, medical experts say even pre-pandemic, hospitals generally operate at about 90% capacity, and now they are even better equipped at treating COVID patients.
I'm done. That's it.
Yesterday, Governor Whitmer got her COVID-19 vaccination. She says she consults medical experts often as cases rise to alarming levels, but she is not putting into place any new restrictions. This is a race to get vaccinated, and so far the virus is winning.
It is a mobility issue that we're confronting. It is fatigue that we're confronting, and it's variants, frankly. It's our chance to be able to have traditional proms and graduations and baby showers and other celebrations of life's milestones again. It's really our chance to get back to a sense of normalcy.
Now, of course, all of this is talking about the parallel between the number of cases versus the number of vaccinations. And I promise you, in the next coming days and weeks, you will see more vaccination opportunities. They seem to be popping up everywhere, and you're going to see even more of it, trying to keep COVID-19 at bay. I'm Nick Monticelli, Local 4.